Alright, this is just a quickie. I'm currently in the kitchen. I'm replacing our old Bunnings Tap fitting with a new one. I'd like to talk about design. This little fitting here seems simple enough. You screw that on, you install the top fitting, it can swivel just nicely, except there's this tiny little set screw that has to go in the back. But of course, no Allen key, no tool you can buy will ever fit in that gap. So I've had to invent one out of it. I'm sick of buying brand new things that require custom modified tools to work. I don't think any of these guys have ever had to install any of their own gear. So now I need to find that hole and do it an inch at a time, and then get a pair of pliers on this custom shortened screwdriver bit that I made, because not even an Allen key fits in here. And if you don't do this up, when you turn the pressure on and the little water pressure regulator here gets involved, it pushes this whole thing up, shoots it up into the air, sprays water all over your kitchen. So it is actually important that you do this set screw up properly. And because it's mirrored, it can be difficult to remember which way to turn this. We'll see if our tap works in a moment. Okay, let's remove our tool, which is a shortened screwdriver bit. Let's see, pull our plug out, let it blow a hole through the roof again. So far it's working. But I wish they'd either include the right tool or design it so that it's not so stupid. Anyway, let's move on. Addendum, they did include a special tool to remove the pressure regulator. They can include that, but not a tool for that. Priorities.